I bought a Cricut. Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new. I'm Renee, and I'm here today to share with you an investment that I made for my small business. Now, many of you already know that I like to do the side hustling with Spark, Walmart grocery delivery, but on this particular episode of Side Hustling, we're going to be talking about the Cricut Maker 3. That's the investment that I made for my small business, and I'm excited to share the unboxing experience with you. So let's just get right into it. This is the investment that I made, and it is the Cricut Maker 3. This is gonna be definitely beginner for me because I have no clue how to work this at all. I am a jewelry maker, so being extra creative with this little baby right here is gonna be a challenge for me, but I'm down for the challenge. I'm down for the challenge. Now, if you're not familiar, like me, of what the Cricut Maker is, well, Cricut is a brand that a lot of crafters use. A lot of people stand behind this brand a lot. So I decided if I were gonna make a investment, if I was gonna have to make an investment and put out some money, I might as well go with the gusto. Now, a lot of people do like to use I think it's called the silhouette or something like that, but I was doing the reviews, looking at the reviews and looking at everything else with the Cricut, and so I decided that I was gonna go with this one. This is the latest. Lord, I'll tear the thing up before I even can use it. Anyway, this is the latest one that just, I don't know if it recently came out or this is the latest one, just period. They have a lot of different ones, like the just the regular Cricut. They have a Cricut 2, they have a Cricut Air or something like that. They have Cricut Joy. Now they got a whole bunch of Cricuts, but this is the one that I chose because it has a lot of capabilities, and it said that it cuts faster and it cuts a lot of different materials such as wood, leather, you know, you name it, it does. So I decided that I was gonna go ahead and make this purchase. It's an ultimate smart cutting machine. And so what it's supposed to do is when you're making items or, you know, t-shirts or, you know, whatever it is that you're crafting up and you're trying to get that stencil, it's like a stencil. So when you're trying to cut around all of that, this machine right here is supposed to be able to help you make that job a little bit easier. All right, so pretty much that's the gist of it. So we just gonna get right into setting this thing up, and I'm gonna try even demonstrating something, hopefully, because it does say that it comes with some material. So I'm gonna go ahead on and try to play around with it, and then we'll see how it goes. So let's head over to the workstation, honey, so we can get this thing popping. Okay, so this is what I have. It's the Cricut Maker 3, and these are, well, actually no, this is not what's included inside the box. It's just basically telling you the specifications on it. So it basically cuts 300 plus materials. It works with 12 plus tools, and some of these tools you do have to purchase separately. It said that it works up to 2 times faster, and then it cuts up to 12 feet without a mat using smart materials. This is my first one. This is my first ever Cricut, so I don't know about how fast it is, but we're gonna get into it and see. All right, so that we've gotten it out of the box. So it comes with the cords for it, and then, you know, it just has a cord like this, like a adapter. So we just gonna plug that in, and then it comes with let's see, what is this? This is some sticker card stock, so you can play around with the machine. They just gave you some material that you can work with until you get yours, the one that you really want to work with. So yep, that's pretty much it. But I bought it because I'm into trying to start my t-shirt business as well, add some things to my boutique. So I thought that this was a good investment. It took a lot of thought because the price point for this, it wasn't that expensive, but it all depends on your budget. And my budget was, I wasn't trying to spend this much money on anything, not right now anyway. But the whole thing, it was $416 total, and then I got it from Michael, so I had some rewards. So actually it would have been like $456, I believe it was, but I had some rewards because I shopped there a lot. So So we got it all set up over here. This is how it's looking. So we're just going to go ahead on and get it registered to the computer, and then try and do some test cuts or whatever, just so I can see how it works. And then over here you see I have my heat press, because I'm telling y'all, I'm about to get it popping up in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this all set up and activated, and we'll be back. And we're all done. So I bought this little kit right here from Michael's as well, and I'm going to use this to take the pieces out of the vinyl. So we're going to see how that goes. That is it. Y'all just saw how it actually works, and it did cut it out pretty good. This is the little demonstration that I did. It's just a sticker that I put on this little plant holder. So yeah, it cut all of that out. So it just kind of, you know, eliminates you having to go through and try to cut every little piece out. So I see that it is going to work pretty good for what I'm trying to do. I'm just excited to get this thing popping. And like I say, the hustle don't stop, the hustle don't quit over here. And if you're new to the channel, then you probably don't know that we do a lot of side hustle. Well, we do some side hustling with Spark Delivery. We're on a fitness journey over here, and also to just, you know, feel good about yourself. And then what else we do over here? We just be doing a lot. We do some lifestyle stuff, just a whole bunch of stuff. So I just figured that since we on speaking of money, most of the time over here, then why not go ahead and try to crank up another side hustle so that we can have another stream of revenue. So that's what it's gonna be. But I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I know it was all over the place, but I was just trying to go ahead and get this in because I wanted to go ahead on and play on this machine. Now, once I start to get this thing down pat, y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. So y'all just be on the lookout for some cute little craft things and things like that. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you go ahead and take care of that. Even if you like the content that you've seen so far, make sure that you give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.